I'm creating one company and assigning a company code to that company, but while creating cost center, that company code or company is not showing in the drop down list.
Why you are assigning that cost center?
Because sir, on our 1000 plant cost center is not configured, no, which is the server which has given to us.
You can take like help of if any FSEO is there, you can take help of them. Or like currently already like there will be data, right? If you go for any work center, there will be like some cost center used by the system. You consider that particular plant and you can configure that. Okay, don't go for 1000 only because in my server the 1000 is configured. If you are using S4 HANA server, in S4 HANA server one plant won't be configured completely.
Sure.
Okay, you can use like random already like used one, that is a better option. So you try like 1010 or 1710, some plants will be there. Okay, in S4 HANA. Okay, you can check that those things. So don't waste time in that. So you can use the existing one. You can start with your work center and function structure indicator, creation of structure indicator, function location equipment. From there you can start. Okay, all those things. So don't waste time in this because I said right, we are dependent on them. Okay, FSU. So existing one only you use it. Just due to for the practice, you know how the path, all those things like all these things like you know define company code, all those things, right? In that way.
No, actually we are doing correctly, but while that is not displaying in the drop down list. So
okay, you can go for the new entry, right? If it is that is the case, you can go for the new entry. Let me go for SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Can you tell the path where you are trying that?
Enterprise structure.
Enterprise structure, okay.
Then first I was define the company and define the company code. Then in the assignment tab I have gone and
you have gone for company. Okay, where is the company code? Here, like you define the company, right? Yeah.
I have defined the company. Then after I have also defined a company code.
Where?
From here, third one. Yeah.
This one, okay. Copy, delete company code. Okay, edit company code data. It is okay. Edit it already. Like it will be okay. Or company code.
Then
Here,
after
like company codes are there. Okay. Or like here.
After that, I am going in assignment tab and.
Okay, then you have to maintain like controlling area, all those things. See, this is purely like FSEO, right? You are not like you don't know what is controlling area. Complete knowledge you doesn't have about that, right? Means you are not a professional in this. First of all, you should have a knowledge. Then only you can go ahead and create it. So always like I suggest, say all these things. You don't know what is this, what is chart of accounts. Okay, variants you have to create. So you don't know, right? You can use the existing one instead of wasting time in these things.
Can we know on which company code in our server the all systems are configured?
The existing one you use, right? Existing one. If you go for any work center list, how you search the work center? What is the T code to search the work center? List of work centers in the system. What is the T code?
No sir, I am asking. जो सर्वर हम यूज कर रहे हैं ना सर उसमें मतलब 4-5
वही बता रहा हूँ वो S4 सर्वर में तो कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं रहेगा ओके एक प्लांट के लिए कंप्लीट कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस नहीं रहेगा सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट लाइक यूजिंग द एग्जिस्टिंग वन व्हाटएवर इज दैट okay with respect to the finance because you are facing the issues in the finance right means already like certain work centers will be created by the system itself right means the inbuilt like means in the sense like already that server will have a certain data okay वो डाटा के हिसाब से हम लोग कर सकते हैं okay that data I'm talking about but ECC is concerned always like 1000 plant is fully configured this is an ECC server whatever I am showing you okay this is my S4 HANA server see how it looks like this server when you are talking about example say this is my S4 HANA server in your case like if I go for a plant right 1000 then it won't be there if I go for CR05 go for plant 1000 this whatever I'm showing you this is like S4 HANA server here S4 HANA 2022 server. with respect to like this. See, plant 1000, only one work center is there. Plant 1320, 1710. See, 1710, there are many.
Yeah,
Then you can try to use.
1710 is in our systems.
Yes, then if you go for this, if you go for costing tab, right? Controlling area is 8000. Cost center is this. Okay, start date and end date. You can use it. You know how to create an activity type. I had showed you, right? Yeah, new activity type. This is like this is also of FICO team, but you can try and create it. But cost center always like I recommend to use the existing one. You can create this also cost center on your own. Okay, that is also no problem. But like still I advise the existing one, because sometimes what happens, you know, with respect to this another configurations are missing is there, then you'll face an error. So see, these are the things. Then you got on work center. Okay, same like you can copy paste and you can use your name, whatever name you want. Okay, with that particular thing. Okay, just come back and copy paste this one and create another one. Once you have this work center, then go for structure indicator. Structure indicator, it is purely, it's a PM thing. Only you have to use the plant. Anyway, plant you are using 1710. Anyway, like costing parameters, you are using this cost center.
Sure.
Okay, or else like you think like that cost center is something different, then you create one cost center but use this same cost center as copy paste existing one, the copy paste and mention the plant maintenance. It will be there, but still if you want you can go and check. See here, not many things are there, but you want like some plant maintenance related thing somewhere in the standard, it will be maintained. But in ECC server I showed you, right, those things. Some I can tell you like 1000 means you can straight away go for the 1000 and you can use start using the 1000. Okay, so here you will come to know this S4HANA, or like you know how to check it in first class, like I have showed. Go for system status and from there like you can check. See this one, product version. In this product version, go for installed product version. This is an S4HANA on-premise version. This is the release 2022, 2023 is also there. Okay, see these are the above platforms. This way. Now what I am doing, like since it is not configured and I am using it through remote. Okay, this we can install it. Okay, and this is also we can install it on premise, and cloud we cannot install it. Cloud it's on web based.
And sir, the person responsible configuration, the field person responsible in work center, is that same to the person responsible which is displaying in the cost center?
Cost center. See, if I go for plant maintenance, okay, if I go for master data, okay, if I go for technical objects, okay, where you are going for example, say general data, here it is clearly saying what is there. No, sorry, work center you are talking about, right? Sorry, work center. Let me go for the work center. Let me go for this work centers. Let me go for general data. Okay, employee responsible, so work center. It's clearly mentioned, right? These people are defined employee responsible for this work center. Cost centers are different. Okay,
What
and
are the
you know,
paths? Okay, sir. What are the paths for that cost center?
cost center you have to go for FICO.
Okay.
Again, financial and accounting. Where it is there, financial and accounting. You search here. See, financial and accounting is there. Or accounting something new. Correct. Let me go for where is there financial and accounting. New. Somewhere you have to search over here.
Okay.
Okay. General ledger is there. Accounts, bank accounting, asset accounting. Okay. In this. Okay. Now one second. In this like cost center, right? It is comes under controlling actually. FICO module, right? Controlling cost center accounting. Okay, requirement activate cost center. Then else what else is there? Master data. Then cost center. Then define cost center categories. We will define create cost centers. Here it is there. Okay, and see all those things like related things, activity types like here it will come, and whatever you're talking about. Okay, create cost center or change certain cost center. Okay, let me go for some with respect to this. I'll go for some 4300 you said, right? Whatever we are using, some 4300. Okay, for the plant maintenance is concerned. Yeah, we go for this. Here like category, this is also configurable thing, company code configurable thing, business area, currency. This is how we create a cost center. If you want to know it, like easiest job or like smart job is copy this and go for replica another one. Okay, of your own instead of typing everything because you don't know. Okay, where is the person responsible? Where you wanted to enter? User responsible.
Yeah, person responsible.
Okay, here, yes. User responsible again, it will go for some HR, like who is responsible person. All these things will be there. Normally, it will be an HR module or like VA0. We'll try with PA01 one second.
Sure.
PA03. PA03 is there. Payroll control, payroll area. From area you see.
Yes, sir, I just want to that both are not interlinked. That
No,
person
no, 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 no.
responsible.
Absolutely no.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, absolutely no. Normally, person responsible, like we'll get it like here it is a free text.
Yeah.
Okay, here it is a the like person responsible for the work center here. Department is a one. Here like user responsible, we can configure that.
Exactly.
Okay, which user responsible maybe you can consider here it may be or like within HR module. How we will use in work center HR module, right? The same way like that it could be over there. Okay, or free text. So this is something different. Whatever we are doing, right? This one is totally different. This is employees responsible for work center. Who is responsible means who like means takes care of that particular group of people.
Actually, sir, when I was creating work center, so I am creating him person responsible or employee responsible for here, but I didn't get the option at there. So I thought that was not interlinked.
No, no, no. Here it is there, no, that path. You can directly go to this path and create it. Your employee responsible. This employee responsible for
Sir,
work center.
sir, is there any method like we are creating something, but we are feeling tough to find the configuration route? So on the field tab or tab on by the field, we can go directly to the that part of SPRO setting.
Okay. Is
Is there
from
any?
field. No, no. You have to know it's that's why this training is happening, right? Else like every person will go and directly you will do it. What is there?
No sir, but जिस person के पास authority है, for example,
हाँ.
क्योंकि
Authority
अगर मैं
रहने
कोई
से भी see आपको ये पता रहना चाहिए there is something called front end and back end. Correct.
yeah,
You have to approach like back end means you should go like in a back end means SPRO. There like you will have all the configuration settings. Correct. With respect means from field if you do that is in front end. Front end तो easy access हो गया. Okay, the interface is something different.
okay sir, got it. But क्या ऐसा हो सकता है जैसे अगर मैं
नहीं हो नहीं
फ्रंट
नहीं
एंड पे काम कर रहा हूँ सर,
समझ
और
लिया.
उसके बैक एंड पे जाना हो तो कोई शॉर्टकट वे या कोई और तरीका जिससे अगर मैं कॉन्सेप्ट भूल गया बाय द वे कभी,
हाँ.
सो आई इजिली गो
I'll go
देयर
for
लाइक.
some plant and some work center example say, and here it is there, and here like if I press something, nothing you'll get it, like only F4. Okay, the display. Like from here you will have these details. What could be the table name, category. From there like you can go again like some transactions. इधर से ही हम लोग इधर प्रेस कर दिया कुछ, नहीं तो इधर राइट क्लिक कर दिया, नहीं तो इधर एक कुछ दबा दिया तो उधर लेके चले जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा.
ओके
ओके, आसान नहीं है सब चीज़. Okay, and there will be setting means proper route will be there, proper channel you have to go and access. In your mobile also you want to do something, contacts में कहीं दबा दिया तो contacts नहीं जाएगा ना, like you have to go to that particular path and you have to create. That is the name. Right? From here like I cannot access it. Yeah. From drop down example say like I'll go for the drop down. Here there is something called like okay create values. See in this. choose like customizing project. Again, like project it will be there. From here, like I'll go. Like that under it will be there. That's it. Okay, majorly. Some people, something are there. Like, but the major thing is what you know. You have to go for SPRO and you have to do it.
Got it.
Any other easiest options, if anything is there, then I'll let you know. Huh? Okay.
सर गूगल पे भी करने पे
But
आ जाता है, बट कभी कभी सही बताता नहीं है.
no, another one thing what you know, why I am telling you that is, you are doing it in a mass way. Okay, one or two, I understood like you open this data and then you are doing configurations. Correct. But what happens in real time? What it happens? You don't open this. Correct. In front end, like it is used by someone else. Then testing you are doing. Normally, you are creating first all the required data. Then here you are coming or you are choosing it. तो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो गया ना आपका. मतलब क्वेश्चन मैं समझ लिया कि वेन एवर यू थिंक लाइक आई गो ओवर हियर एंड आई वांट समथिंग न्यू. ओके, आई गो
नो
ओवर
सर,
हियर.
जैसे हमने लोकेशन फील्ड को खोला और सपोज दैट इसमें वो फील्ड नहीं है जो मतलब मैं चाह रहा हूँ डालना या जिस पे काम हो रहा है, then we should go on back end and
Yeah, see here I'll go. Okay, understood. Not job is, see here there is some option called okay, create values. Correct. ये create values में जाऊंगा तो project choose करना है, which customizing project. Okay, or else like there are so many things. You don't want to choose that customizing project, like continue without specifying the project. Okay, over here.
okay.
This way you can. Understood?
Yes sir, we can continue.
Yeah, we can continue over here. फिर कहाँ लेके आया? इधर ही तो लेके आया. इधर ही तो लेके आया बस, और कुछ नहीं. But only one thing is in real time, once you start the job, no, there is some other procedure is there. How you will do it, because change request लेके फिर जाना पड़ेगा आपको, उधर create करना पड़ेगा. उससे पहले मतलब that will be the easiest thing, because starting अभी आप लोग को क्या लग रहा है कि ये सारा कैसे याद करेंगे, because you didn't work on this. आप लोग इसके ऊपर काम नहीं किया अभी तक, लो सो आसान चीज़ आप लोग ढूंढ रहे हो. But when you do it, like it will become used to it. Okay, you need not to like means worry, means आपको काम करते करते उसको याद रखना ही पड़ेगा, वो तो याद हो जाएगा आपको. वैसा है उसको, मतलब you don't find any shortcut for that anyway. Okay, see again you have to do it. Means easiest way is whatever I showed. Go here, transport request number, it will be generated. That is the main thing. Okay, here it got hanged up. Okay, in your S4HANA server also you can try the same thing. Yeah.
Okay sir, we can continue.
Yes. Okay, you understood, right? That is one path like how you can follow. Okay, you open something front end and you can go for this create values. Okay, majorly like only thing is whenever you are doing like SPRO, the transport request number is must. The project is must. Okay, that you have to take care. Where we were, maintenance plans. Anyone revised or like is no?
Actually sir, only on corrective maintenance वहाँ तक हमने रिवाइज किया सर मैंने.
अच्छा, ये तो कंटिन्यूएशन टॉपिक है, ये तो बहुत लंबा टॉपिक हो जाएगा. सो आई रिकमेंड यू टू रीड दिस. ओके, you know about the order, right? If you don't know the steps completely, that is also fine, but I recommend first like go through this. Okay, first like what you have done, created a strategy that is time based. These are the times. Okay, and hierarchy also we dealt with. Correct. Then like activity type, means this is called performance based. This also we have created. Then we created a task list. We have used this particular strategy in the task list. Okay, here task lists are three types: equipment task list, functional location, and general task list. Okay, and next like we have used this strategy over here and we have made a maintenance strategy. Correct, maintenance plan. all those things. Okay, which operations at what cycle, all those things like we have maintained it. Next, like we created a maintenance plan. In that, like my plans, there are three types of plan. First, like we have gone for strategy plan. Strategy plan means based on the strategy. Okay, whether it could be like every 30 days, 4 months, like that, like we have done. Can anyone tell like on what basis like this call origin? What is the concept of call origin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is call origin?
Call origins are what is the amount of percentage we are deciding for a job to recall that job after some time.
To call job, like how many days before like order has to be called before
Yeah,
the plant date?
we
Yeah,
use
simple.
in calculation like 90%.
हाँ, यस, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप आज मोबाइल का रिचार्ज कर दिया, आपका वैलिडिटी है 1 साल, आज से आपको बताएगा क्या वो आज आप ये साल खत्म हो जाएगा, खत्म हो जाएगा, नहीं ना, और सटन
बेसिकली
पीरियड
हमें
लाइक
बेसिकली
हाँ,
हमें नोटिफिकेशन कब जनरेट कराना है उस वर्क को लेके वो कॉल ओरिजिन से
not directly notification, like directly order also you can generate. Okay, it's not a notification, it's a directly like order you are generating, but like how many days before like you are generating it order. Okay, मोबाइल में तो नोटिफिकेशन आएगा मतलब इसको कराओ करके, but like either like order will be generated. Okay, but you can start after start date. Okay, example say some number of days like before you are going to start it. Yes. Okay, that is called your call horizon. Scheduling indicator, anyone knows like what is scheduling indicator?
scheduling indicators, sir.
Okay, time key date, time factory calendar. Okay, this is called your scheduling indicator, how you are going to schedule it. Okay, you know time key date here, like everything is dependent on the time date, key date. Okay, if you are starting your job on 26 and your cycle is 90 days, every 3 months on 21st it will call. If cycle frequency day is 30 days, then every 1 month the same day 21st or 20th or 26th, whatever is there, it will start. Okay, and next like here time, it is based on number of days. Okay, gap between this, here it is date, here it is factory calendar, it will consider working days, 90 working days, here it is consider calendar days. Okay, this is called your scheduling indicator. And again we have discussed about the shift factor for late completion. Okay, based on the tolerance date, okay, how many days like it has shifted. Okay, within this tolerance, like if it is completed then it won't shift. Okay, if your shift factor is late completion 0, even though like you have delayed, it won't shift it. Okay, if it is delayed like 100%, then how many days it has delayed, those many days like next order will be shifted. That is called late completion, and these operations also we have seen. Correct. And next like we have created our own strategy. Okay, you have seen like factory calendar configuration, this is scale, okay, SCELE, okay, T code. Then we have created our own strategy here, monthly KPA monthly strategy, call origin strategy, unit was day, and shift factor we have provided. And coming to this cycle length, okay, all your this descriptions and hierarchies we had provided, and how this hierarchy was like I have showed you. Next like performance based strategy. Okay, how this performance based strategy will work. Okay, this is based on your any activity, it could be a number of hours or liters, anything it could be. Okay, and next like see this many hours or this many liters we can provide. Yeah, come down. Yes, then we started creating on equipment task list, and we have created like a number of task lists like we can create for one single equipment. And here like strategy for that is called maintenance package. For maintenance package, which operation you are performing at which interval of time. Okay, for 1 month I'm performing these 2 operations, for 3 months these 3 operations, like that. Then I'll go for components, I can assign the components here itself. Okay, if we have assigned any BOM, then we can go for component selection over there. Directly you can select from the BOM instead of searching the materials from here. Yeah, that also like I had showed you. Then the task list, equipment, function locations, and the general, without any reference to equipment or function location, we can have a general task list creations. Then maintenance plan we have created. In this maintenance plan, there is a concept called maintenance item. In this item, we are preparing means equipment we are selecting on which equipment we are performing a maintenance task. Okay, that is nothing but a maintenance item. Yeah, and here it is like order type by default. When I'm selecting certain plant type and planner group in combination, Then I can have for these two combinations, I can have my what order type you want to generate. I want to generate a preventive maintenance order. That configuration setting we have done it. Define the order type for your maintenance item. Okay, for this particular item, for 1000 and 1020 planner group, PM03 like preventive maintenance order should be generated. Now it got a default. This value we have maintained as a default value. And here see, once we created this particular maintenance plan, there won't be any strategy maintained unless like you mention task list. Once you mention the task list over here, okay, down see here, whatever the task list contains that maintenance packages, that is 30, 90, 180, everything has come up. Yes, next, like once you create that maintenance plans, all these scheduling parameters, maintenance plan, additional data, then you go for schedule of it, IP10. Okay, here like scheduling parameters, second tab, all these things good data got copied from here, there, strategy. Okay, caller, the scheduling period, that is a length of how many lengths of calls like it has to be called. Based on that, the scheduling period. Example, say 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, we can schedule, and this is scheduling indicator. Cycle modification factor, it's a multiplication to your modification factor. Okay, it should be even number for your time period. I cannot have a 1.5 per time period. It should be a whole number. It should be 1, 2, 3 like that. It should be whole. You cannot consider. That's why this error has come. Okay, now see scheduling period we have considered 1 year only. If we increase, it will be scheduled for more year of period. Okay, start of cycle, that day we have started it on this level. Okay, yes, like now at last, like we can group all these particular things under any authorization group, but we have created our own some 3000, some KPI, right? Something, some name like we have given. All those maintenance plans under are saved under that sort field. Now we have gone for after creation of this maintenance plan, we'll go for schedule of this maintenance plan. Okay, that is like IP10. Yes, IP10 in that like you mentioned the 440. See, now here only 11 cycles has come up. This is called your cycles. Okay, how many like a duration for 1 year, because here we have given 1 year. Next, if I increase, then it will be length will be increased. That is scheduling list will increase. In normal in certification exam and all, they'll ask if you want to increase the scheduling list, then what you will do? You have to increase the scheduling period. Where it will be there, this scheduling period. If I do it for 5 years, then here it will be scheduled for 5 years. Yeah, and the package sequence like I have showed you. Okay, start of cycle. So when you have to start it. Okay, example say like I said March like 21st I have scheduled it, but in real time, okay, this has been completed. Okay, but already like they have completed, they have to start with 6 months package. That is nothing but a set start offset. We have set like start offset. Offset has been set at this one. Then from this is gap is the 30 days. From means after that 30 days from today, if you start like next month 21st April, your 6 month package will be due as a first package. Afterwards again, like whatever the new packages are there, it will come. All these packages need not to be scheduled. Why? Because they have completed the job without SAP. This is the most important thing. Okay, yeah, as a consultant you should know this. Yes, like you want to delete this, some mistake you have done, you have to delete it. Delete is the standard processing operation option, or else like you want to skip it. If you skip, like you will have an history of all these things. This we have seen. After once you scheduled and saved it, then order will be generated on this call date. Okay, some 3 days before. For everywhere 3 days before. Why? Because call origin work like calculates on the least package only. Yeah, that you should remember. If multiple packages are there, on the least package whatever is there, in that days it will calculate and it will provide an order. Yeah, next like over here, what else is there? Yes, here like options are there. Example say like once you schedule the order will generate on 18/4 till like whether order get generated or not. How you will check? You will go for this deadline as reached or not. That is deadline monitoring for maintenance plans. We provide our maintenance plans category and your sort field. Okay, under this or whatever you can mention only maintenance plan number directly, and you can execute whether order got generated or not. If not generated, it will tell like it's only scheduled. If it is generated, like this order number it will come. Okay, but we could not wait so much of time, so we have set that system as like we have forced date system value. We have forced the value saying that like some 28 days has reached. Okay, so order got generated, and manually you want to release. Okay, from here it is IP30 I have showed you. Manually you want to release this green flag. You want to skip it. Okay, skip it. You want to fix it some date. You can fix it that particular date. All these three options like we have seen, and manual calls also we can see. In the middle and all you want to generate any order, then directly you can select a package and go for a manual call. Okay, all these numbers has been finished. Okay, then you can go for a new start. That also can be done. Okay, these many options. So now what we will do, let me create another one thing. Okay, that is another one plan like we'll create. Okay, time based only. Go for IP42, that is strategy plan. Go for maintenance category. Maintenance plan category I'm generating means what is an output of your maintenance plan. Output of my maintenance plan is order should be get generated. In your case, you said like notification has to be generated, right? You can have a notification also, but majority will go for order part. What strategy I should go for? Monthly package only I'll go. Okay, again, go for this monthly package. Then here, let me do it like maintenance. So before that, like I'll go for an equipment. What was ours? KP01. Okay, expand whole. Any one equipment like you can consider. Equipment, let me consider. Thousand kV. Maintenance of DJ. See here I'll go for some 1000 kV. Okay. See for this and this combination already we have maintained this. Okay. Now is there any equipment task list? We will go and check. For this equipment task list, if you have created equipment, it will come. See there is an equipment task list. Correct. Here it is created. So let me create a equipment task list. CT. You want to see this details like how it is maintained. For 28.1 diesel generator, go for your maintenance package. See here all these packages are there. If all these packages are there, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, then everything it will come over here. Everything comes over here. 30, 90, 180. Okay, under the same maintenance plan, we can have multiple maintenance items also. Okay, how? See here, there is something called create more items. There is something called assign items. What is assign? Means separately you can create a maintenance item, then here you can assign it. Or from here also, if you create item, more item, like this blank page, it will come. You provide an equipment number and everything data get copies and provide the task list. Without that, I want to assign it. Means separately I'll create. How I can create separately? Then go for another one T code. Go for IP04. See create maintenance item. Here you can create it. What strategy? Monthly like KPI strategy. Okay, enter. Okay, here you can provide anything. Here I'll provide maintenance of again like DG or 0 something. Okay, let me go for that particular equipment. What equipment I'll go for? 1250. Okay, where I was, create maintenance item. Okay, here I'll go for this, or you can provide 1250. Okay, yes, go for your equipment. See enter now. See everything got copied for this combination again. Yeah, and go for your task list. What a task list like you want to go for? Let me go for some general task list. Okay, I'm going for printing of machine. Yeah, here I'll mention printing of machines. Okay, see how I am finishing same screen, right? Whatever I could see like here in maintenance plan screen, this screen is separate. That's it. It's nothing but I'm creating an item over here separately, and I have provided this particular task list. Okay, object list you can provide item location, everything got copied separately. I'm creating it. Equipment and create maintenance item. Okay, where I should show here also. IP04, 05, IP06. Now we have created. You want to change display all those things, you can do it. Create maintenance item. There is a separate team. Many people doesn't know this. We can create maintenance item separately, but we You can create it separately. Like let me save this maintenance items. Here 1230 got created now. Number got created. I'll go for maintenance plan. Here if I create like more items, then another page it will open over here. But instead of that, like I have done it already separately 1230. Then I want to assign that over here directly. Okay, assign more items. How? See, go for this with this package, like whatever the maintenance items are there, go for this. See, 1230 is there already. Okay, the display maintenance item list has been come. Now you just use that. You just assign it. For that, like I have created already all these things, right? So, see, select this. Now two items. One is maintenance of DG, another one is painting of machine. Okay, this one is what job? 6935 job. This is like 6937 equipment job. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, this one like how we are doing it. Maintenance package. Another one, what we have used, general we have used, no? Painting. Okay, painting job. Must be like you'll be doing painting job every 2 years. Okay, now newly created like maintenance plan. Let me save this. Specify cycle start of for the maintenance plan. Okay, see, come back over here, cycle start. You can check the scheduling period you should give. I'll give some 4 years or like some 5 years. If you have for this, like what is the important thing is you should have created your configured your factory calendar accordingly. Okay. Then of cycle is 26. 3. Okay, time period. Then come back. Your sort field. You're sorting under KPI. Correct. We have created our. Who are authorized to make any changes? Some group like name like I'm providing. Understood?
Yes.
You have two like maintenance items. Anything. It is done. So save it. You can go for schedule from here or IP10 you can use the T code and mention your maintenance plan. Okay, over here, start cycle. So start it. See, you can start from here. You know, like I don't want this one, I want like 6-month package, then you can go for a starting cycle and you can mention this cycle over there. Correct. Then we can wait over here. I wait. Now, example say, I scheduled it, you have scheduled it, then let me go for next. What is this next step? Once you schedule it, here I have mentioned the schedule. First, like maintenance plan category, maintenance order, call object is there. Create maintenance plan, we have done it. Schedule maintenance plan, okay, we have done it. We have scheduled it. IP10. Then you have to go for deadline monitoring. What is your deadline monitoring? IP30 T code. Go for IP30 T code. Here I'll go for which maintenance plan number? 450. Okay, individual maintenance plan I have to check, right? Instead of checking everything. Because if I select like sort field, no, KPIL, then already created my maintenance plan, that also it will comes into the picture. That is, let me see that also. 440 and 450. Two maintenance plan, whether order got generated or not for the two orders. Two maintenance plans. See, for 450 and 440 and 50. Why? Why? Because like here I have given, I'm checking the deadline monitoring for maintenance plan under sort field KPIL. Okay, instead of typing like 440, 450, some 10 or 20 or 30 orders are there, 30 orders I have to type over here in multiple selection. Instead of that, if all those orders are selected under sort field, then you can have that. Or under category, this is also a good option, under category and under certain sort field. See, here it is. Instead of that, I cannot wait till that time. So what I will do, so for this, like I'll force it. Okay, just to check the order. Okay, let me go for interval. What is this? 28 days like has reached, because my first order has to be generated, right? 28 or 29, I don't know. The date I am not aware, because one day before, one day like late it is there. System date and this current date is a bit different. So I am forcing it as 29 days. So order got generated. Because your least package is 1 month, right? Means 3 days before it will generate. Correct? Is considering this March. March has 31 days. Understood? Order got generated now. Why only one order got generated? Because there are two maintenance items. How come only one order got generated?
Because sir, we can assign multiple.
That's what, multiple items we have assigned, but still like two items are assigned, but only one order got generated. Why order didn't get generated for the second item?
Because that is a header data you have to tell us.
Huh?
We have to.
Huh?
31 sir.
31. पेंटिंग जॉब, पेंटिंग का टास्क लिस्ट जो था ना, उसका क्या फ्रीक्वेंसी था? You go for change or display task list. Okay, the painting of this one, go for your operations, go for your maintenance package. When you are doing this package 2 years है ना, every 2 years. अभी तो 2 years आया नहीं ना.
Okay. Yes.
In IP30 what I have forced value 28 days has reached.
Yeah.
Okay, when 28 dates are reached, then due was this one, first package.
So
Okay, मैंने तो
sir,
सिस्टम को ये नहीं. हाँ.
So हम सर मेंटेनेंस आइटम जितने भी रखे, जब तक उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं होगी वो मतलब ऑर्डर्स में दिखेंगे नहीं.
हाँ, no. So once you schedule like IP10, after save this particular tab it will get activated. Now see, first order got generated. Okay, when was the due package? 1 month due package. Correct. You can go for this. See, now order got generated. So come back. Okay, 450. Let me go for the schedule of this one again. I go for this. Okay, here there is an option for you. Go for your 2 years package. Here see 2 years package. Select this and go for your release. Release call बोलने से होगा क्या? It cannot do. It will tell like predecessor 23 is not, still on hold. If I go for 23, again it will tell like this. Okay, this. Okay, but another one option. See here, this option also I can fix it. Fix you to certain call, so a certain number you can fix it, date. Okay, here like it is there for still on hold. Okay, I cannot skip this also. See, skip of call. वो सारा जो भी करना है मुझे सीक्वेंस में करना पड़ेगा. But like I want this deliberately, I want to release this order because I want to do the maintenance now, because of manpower, because of material availability, because of some sudden shutdown was announced. Okay, during that time like I want to do this 2-year maintenance. Okay, now itself. Okay, I cannot wait 2 years. Then go for your manual call. Go and release a manual call.
सर
Okay.
अगर उसका टेन्योर 2 इयर्स है और उसके पहले अगर हमें करना हो फिर?
हाँ, वही तो बता रहा हूँ ना, मैनुअल कॉल रिलीज कर रहा हूँ. अभी इतना सारा आपने किया भी नहीं है. करेक्ट. सिर्फ 1 मंथ वाला पैकेज किया. ओके, ये सारा होल्ड में है, मतलब स्टिल ऑन होल्ड. मीन्स व्हेन नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर विल जनरेट इन द मंथ ऑफ मई जून अगस्त, तो उसके बाद में ईयर चेंज होगा. ये 2 साल वाला अभी मुझे करना है. ओके, देन हाउ यूल डू इट 2 years वन. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम शोइंग. ओके, फिक्स कॉल ये तो नहीं कर सकते हो, स्किप कॉल भी नहीं कर सकते हो. स्किप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, मुझे करना है तो सेलेक्ट दिस, गो फॉर योर मैनुअल कॉल. Okay, what is your nothing but a manual call, which date like you are releasing it, this date, and which package like you want to do it, this package. Okay, understood. In real time this is how you select this. Okay, 2 years call. Batch for the material, there is some material is there. That's it. Understood. This way also we can do it. अभी क्या आया ऑर्डर्स? 2 आया. क्यों 2 आया?
ताकि हमने मैनुअल कॉल कर दिया ना सर, इसलिए.
अरे भाई, गलत है आंसर.
सर अब
थोड़ा सा सोचना.
सर जैसे वो उसकी टाइम पूरी नहीं हुई थी 2 इयर्स की, बट वी हैव नाउ कॉल दैट आइटम इनटू मैनुअल्स, तो अब वो भी कर सकते हैं ना?
कर दिया ना, तो आ गया. मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्यों 2 ऑर्डर क्यों आया वो बता रहा हूँ, वो मेरा क्वेश्चन है. ये क्या है, ये तो देखो
मेंटेनेंस आइटम
2 साल के लिए क्या क्या पेंडिंग था।
पेंटिंग जॉब्स थे सर, और
वेरी गुड।
पेंटिंग जॉब्स थे, फ्रेशिंग जॉब्स,
हाँ,
जॉब्स के नेम याद नहीं है सर, बट 3-4 जॉब्स थे।
3-4 जॉब कैसा था, दो ही जॉब तो था। ओके, नाउ आई हैव क्रिएटेड इट्स, विल फॉरगेट इट। आपको लोग को कॉन्सेप्ट पता नहीं चला अभी तक। लेट मी गो फॉर योर मेंटेनेंस प्लान। इधर 2 आइटम था, ठीक
या
है ना। एक है आपका कार समझ लो, एक है उसका कार का मेंटेनेंस करना है मुझे। ओके, इसका क्या कैसा मेंटेनेंस करेंगे, हाउ यू डू द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ योर कार और डीजल जनरेटर, एवरी 1 मंथ, एवरी 3 मंथ्स, एवरी 6 मंथ्स, एवरी 1 ईयर, एवरी 2 ईयर। बट लाइक वाई यू kept a strategy because 1 मंथ मेरा ऑपरेशन अलग है, 3 मंथ्स ऑपरेशन अलग है, 6 मंथ्स ऑपरेशन अलग है, 1 ईयर आपको पता है बराबर, करेक्ट।
यस सर।
क्या क्या करना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये डीप मेंटेनेंस ऑफ वन एवरी 1 मंथ यू डू इट, यू डोंट डू इट। आई हैव क्लियरली मेंशनड दिस ऑपरेशंस पार्ट। ओके, इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड प्लीज स्टॉप मी। ओके, सी हियर, 1 ईयर में क्या करना है, 3 मंथ्स में क्या करना है, 2 ईयर्स में क्या करना है, आपको पूरा लिख दिया मैंने इधर, करेक्ट,
श्योर।
बराबर। ओके, ये तो ये एक मेंटेनेंस आइटम हो गया। ये व्हाट इज योर मेंटेनेंस आइटम, इफ यू क्लिक दिस मेंटेनेंस आइटम, ऑन विच इक्विपमेंट यू आर परफॉर्मिंग द मेंटेनेंस। ओके, तो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन है, नहीं तो लाइक सर्टिफिकेशन एग्जाम में ये पूछा जाएगा कि मीन्स व्हाट इज मेंटेनेंस, मीन्स ऑन विच इक्विपमेंट यू परफॉर्म योर मेंटेनेंस एक्टिविटी। ओके, देयर यू विल मेंशन लाइक विच प्लांट, ऑर्डर टाइप, कौन सा ऑर्डर टाइप जनरेट करना है मुझे, एंड व्हाट टास्क यू परफॉर्म as per this particular task list. Okay, see if you go for the display of the task list, आपको पता चलेगा कि ये सारा ऑपरेशन है मेरा 1 2 3 4 5, एंड ये कौन सा फ्रीक्वेंसी में मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ। 2 साल में ये सारा करता हूँ मैं, 3 मंथ्स में ये सिर्फ ये 2 करता हूँ, 6 मंथ्स में ये 3 करूँगा। लाइक सी लाइक दिस ऑल दिस थिंग्स हैव बीन मेंशन्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेंटेनेंस पैकेज। ठीक है, बराबर। दैट इज व्हाट इज योर टास्क लिस्ट नंबर, ग्रुप इज 28, काउंटर इज 1। Next, come back. Next, come back. See here. Again, I'll go for this. Another one maintenance painting of machines कर रहा हूँ मैं। इसका frequency क्या है? इसका frequency means in maintenance package, you want to know the frequency. Obviously, you have to go for the task list. Task list को तो जाना पड़ेगा, तो पता चलेगा कब कर रहा हूँ मैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक महीना मैं पेंटिंग कर रहा हूँ, नहीं ना। 2 ईयर्स में कर रहा हूँ एक बार। जन लाइक सी देन 2 थिंग्स, उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है, फर्स्ट वाला जॉब का फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है, 1 मंथ, 2 मंथ्स, 3 मंथ्स ऐसा आ जाएगा। इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है, 2 ईयर है, 2 ईयर्स है, करेक्ट। 2 साल में एक एक बार आएगा। ये कब ओवरलैप होगा, ये दोनों कब ओवरलैप होगा, 2 साल में एक बार ओवरलैप होगा ना,
या 2 साल
बराबर। ये 2 साल अभी हुआ ना मेरा, अभी इधर 2 साल हुआ ना हमारा ओवरलैप। हाँ, सो डिस्प्ले ओवरलैप, सी इफ यू गो फॉर मेंटेनेंस शेड्यूल, आई कैन फोर्स इट। अभी मैं 2 ऑप्शन था मेरा, क्या था, I can go for IP30 and I can force the time has reached 2 years करके। उससे अलावा मैं और एक easiest way क्या किया मैंने, डायरेक्टली IP10 में जाके IP10 शेड्यूल, आई देयर लाइक आई हैव गॉन फॉर मैनुअल कॉल। वाला ऑर्डर कैसे जनरेट किया मैंने, दिस
सर
ऑर्डर
एक
लाइक
बार
हाउ आई जनरेटेड।
सर एक बार मैनुअल कॉल वापस से बता दीजिए।
हाँ, ठीक है, सी इधर लाइक हाउ आई जनरेटेड दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉल, first call how I generated, I had gone to IP30, there like I have forced it, correct, the 29 days has reached, मतलब मैं सिस्टम को बताया टाइम आ गया करके, मतलब 30 मिनट डेज, बिकॉज इट्स फर्स्ट मंथ, 1 मंथ मतलब 30 days, why have given 28 or 29 days, because like your call origin, correct in a
सर
how, yeah,
लाइक सर अगर मैनुअल में हम टाइम को फोर्स करते हैं उसके ऊपर जाने के लिए, देन
हाँ,
बाकी
मैन्युअली मतलब मैं सिस्टम को कुछ नहीं बता रहा हूँ, डायरेक्टली मैनुअल कौन सा भी पैकेज चाहिए मुझे वो रिलीज कर दे रहा हूँ मैं, बस मैनुअल बोलने से। ठीक है, इफ यू गो फॉर एनी ऑर्डर, हाउ यू जनरेटेड, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, कॉल नंबर इज 1, मेंटेनेंस आइटम इज दिस, गो फॉर योर कंट्रोल, हाउ यू गॉट जनरेटेड थ्रू IP30, IP10 आज का डेट दिखाएगा वो, थ्रू IP10 2024-02-2025। ओके, कम बैक। अभी मैं मैनुअल कॉल में जनरेट कर दिया, इधर इधर क्यू 2 दिखाएगा, देखो 2 क्यू दिखाएगा। एक ऑर्डर तो आपका मेंटेनेंस ऑफ डीजी हो गया इधर, ये वाला, और एक ऑर्डर तो हो गया पेंटिंग ऑफ डीजी। ये दोनों क्यू आया क्योंकि ये 2 साल का ऑर्डर मैंने निकाला, 2 ईयर्स का ड्यू पैकेज था।
अच्छा
ओके, सी आपको आप बता रहे थे मेंटेनेंस। ओके, नाउ अभी सेकंड ऑर्डर इसको जनरेट करना है। क्या क्या तरीका है जनरेट करने के लिए, बताइए।
एक तो IP30 से कर सकते हैं सर।
वेरी गुड। IP30 तो आप चेक करना है, ऑफिशियली आप यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे
ओके
नॉर्मली। अभी देखिए, अभी इन रियल टाइम ये तो आप जब May 23 आएगा ऑर्डर जनरेट करेगा, सिंपल काम है, बस सिस्टम जनरेट करेगा, आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं।
यस सर।
बट आपको कुछ यूजर आया बोला ले नहीं मुझे ये ऑर्डर चाहिए अभी करना है मुझे, कब करना है भाई करके, ओके नो यू वांट टू फिक्स इट टू 20th ऑफ May, देन फिक्स कर दो इसको कॉल। प्लान डेट को 20th को फिक्स कर दो, ठीक है। दो 5 days शेड ऑन है। को जो शेड ऑन था ओके, उसके लिए मैं प्लान कर रहा हूँ कि 20th, करेक्ट, बराबर। दिस इज वन ऑप्शन, so continue, so 20th as well, correct, and you can save it. One option.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Okay, see here, first option what we learned is we can fix the call. इससे पहले like first option what was there, when this time reaches like order will generate automatically. Okay, order generate हुआ कि नहीं हुआ उसके लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे IP30
for checking purpose.
Not scheduling purpose, scheduling is IP10.
No sir, I am saying for checking purpose.
Checking purpose, correct. Right word is monitoring purpose, deadline monitoring, deadline reach हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, okay? कुछ डेडलाइन आके कुछ ऑर्डर्स जनरेट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, सो हम लोग एग्जीक्यूट करके चेक करेंगे, ओके। जस्ट बिकॉज वी हैव ओपन दिस, या टेल मी।
IP10 for scheduling,
हाँ, IP30 is for checking, monitoring, deadline monitoring,
and for
okay,
changing the call.
हम लोग चेंज वगैरह कुछ नहीं करेंगे, व्हेन देयर इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट देन ओनली वी विल चेंज इट, ओके। दैट वी आर चेंजिंग अगेन इन IP10,
that scenario only,
ओके, इन दैट IP10 ओनली, ओके। जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट सिनारियो है, जैसा अब पहले क्या था, एक टाइम पीरियड 2026 था ना, अभी इसको मैंने क्या किया, ओके, बेस्ड ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट, यूजर रिक्वायरमेंट, आई फिक्स द कॉल, say like prepone or postpone whatever, okay, you can do it. This is one option. Another option is what, you want to release this call manually, okay, this is a release call, मतलब सीक्वेंस में मैं रिलीज कर सकता हूँ, बस मैं जाके इसको दबा के इसको रिलीज करना है तो नहीं होगा मेरे से, okay. Predecessor big sequence I had to come. You understood this option, now you understood this fixed call, you understood this option, yes. Now मेरे को इसको करना नहीं है, ओके। मैं क्या किया, ये वाला जॉब भी इसमें खत्म कर दिया, मैंने खत्म कर दिया, तो नीड नॉट टू वेट टू कंप्लीट दिस जॉब, सो दिस आल्सो सीक्वेंसली आई शुड डू, सो आई विल मेंशन स्किप कॉल, ये स्किप करके आ जाएगा, ओरिजिनल प्लान डेट इज रिप्रोड्यूस्ड, ओके, ठीक है, आके स्किप आ जाएगा। तो पहले प्रीपोन किया था मैंने, बाद में पता चला मुझे ये काम इधर खत्म कर दिया ऑलरेडी ड्यू पैकेज 1 में, ओके, 1 मंथ में, फर्स्ट वाला कॉल नंबर में, दिस इज नथिंग बट एन कॉल नंबर, एक खत्म कर दिया करके इसको मैं सिलेक्ट करके मैं क्या कर दिया, स्किप कर दिया इसको, कॉल स्किप, okay, understood?
yes,
Just like skip call, like you understood this particular option, 3 options like you understood now. Fix one,
go to the Excel file,
yeah, now call got skipped, okay, let me save this. अभी फिर से मैं ये कॉल रिलीज कर सकता हूँ, सीक्वेंस में है, हाँ ठीक है, रिलीज कर सकता हूँ, ये वाला मैं फिक्स कर सकता हूँ कौन सा भी डेट चाहिए मुझे, ये वाला मैं स्किप कर सकता हूँ, हाँ
सर। स्किप कॉल को जब हमने एक बार स्किप कर दिया उसके बाद दोबारा से उस पर कोई टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं?
नहीं कर सकता ना, ये तो ऑलरेडी स्किप हो गया ना, इसको रिलीज करने के लिए कोशिश करो, रिलीज नॉट पॉसिबल एज मेंटेनेंस प्लान ऑलरेडी लाइक रिलीज्ड, कॉल्ड और स्किप्ड, ओके, दिस आल्सो अंडरस्टूड, यस, दिस इज वन थिंग। नेक्स्ट थिंग अभी क्या है, अभी आप अचानक मुझे क्या चाहिए था, मुझे एक 1 ईयर का प्लान चाहिए था, ये वाला करना था मुझे, क्योंकि मेरे को शटडाउन मिला, so I thought like 1 year job I have to finish it. What is your 1 year job? 1 year job is these options: clean the car, check the air, oil top up, all those things, or operation 1 2 3 4 5 whatever operations करना था मुझे। ये करने के लिए ये तो 1 साल के बाद में आएगा, 25 में आएगा, अभी थोड़ी आएगा, नहीं आएगा, बट अभी अचानक शटडाउन मिल जाएगा। शटडाउन में तो वैसे भी वो 3 मंथ वाला मतलब काम करना ही है हमको, ठीक है, but like I have opportunity to I can do it like 1 year, but I cannot wait till that time, right? So what I will do, what is the best option? So select this, go for manual call, क्योंकि आप रिलीज नहीं कर सकते हो ये कॉल को, नहीं तो आप फिक्स भी नहीं कर सकते हो. Okay, one option is like you want to fix it, you can fix it, whether we will fix it for today's date. Okay, see here क्या होगा, मेंटेनेंस प्लान प्रेडिसेसर कॉल नंबर 11 को फिक्स करना पहले, इससे पहले ये नहीं आया. ठीक है, सो यू कैन नॉट डू इट, सो यू वांट टू स्किप दिस कॉल. ओके, यू वांट टू गो इन अ सीक्वेंस, स्किप सारा स्किप करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे, सिर्फ मुझे स्किप का ये नहीं है, मुझे करना है काम इसको. सो 1 ईयर का
अगर 1 ईयर वाले को करना पड़ेगा ऐसे, तो उसके पीछे जितने सारे रहेंगे सबको स्किप करना पड़ेगा. नहीं
करेंगे ना, इसको तो मुझे करना ही है. 1 मंथ तो वैसे भी करेंगे ना. 1 ईयर को अभी क्या हुआ, अभी आपको जून है आपका मंथ, ठीक है. अभी अचानक 15 डेज शटडाउन आ गया आपका प्लांट में, विच वॉज नॉट प्लान्ड. सो यू हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू लाइक 1 ईयर जॉब नो ईयर. यू थिंक आपके पास मैन पावर है, ये सब कुछ है, ये सारा आप क्यों स्किप करेंगे? ये 15 दिन का बाद में, ये तो नेक्स्ट महीना आपको वैसे भी ये करना ही पड़ेगा ना, नेक्स्ट मंथ जॉब हर एक महीना तो आपको करना ही है.
यस सर, यस.
Then every 1 month you are doing it, every 3 months you are doing it, but you want to do 1 year package, correct? Yeah. You want to utilize the time. अभी 1 year छोड़ दो, सिर्फ समझो कि 6 months वाला करना है आपको, तो 6 months वाला कर सकते हो. Okay, which is coming after 3 months, you want to do it like 3 months. When it comes this one, you can skip it because you have done it already. ये जब टाइम आएगा ये सारा आपको करेंगे, 3 months 1 month करेंगे, 1 month भी करेंगे, इसको स्किप कर देंगे बाद में, ठीक है. बट अभी फिलहाल क्या करना है, मुझे 1 ईयर वाला जॉब रिलीज करना, मैन्युअली रिलीज करना है. ओके, गो फॉर मैन्युअल कॉल, सेलेक्ट दिस, विच पैकेज यू वांट टू रिलीज, यू वांट टू रिलीज दिस 1 ईयर का, सेलेक्ट दिस 1 ईयर पैकेज, इसको 1 ईयर में ये आ गया. अंडरस्टूड? या. Like this it will come, order got generated, single order, because overlap तो है नहीं है ना, ये तो हर एक 2 साल में एक बार आएगा और दूसरा बार. Okay, so no issues. So again I'll go for schedule. Is there any like again 2 years package? Here is 2026. Again is there any 2 years package? We have given some 4 years. See here 2028 का भी रिलीज करना है. कुछ भी डिस्टर्ब मत करो, चले जाओ डायरेक्टली मैन्युअल कॉल, गो फॉर दिस, गो फॉर 2 years पैकेज, डू इट. ओके, अभी 2 years आ गया, वो सेव कर दिया हमने. कब जनरेट किया हम लोग? अभी ये साल ही जनरेट कर दिया उसको, करेक्ट. सो गो फॉर एनीथिंग, एनी ऑर्डर, सिर्फ 2 orders got generated, 304, 304, 304. Why? Because during 2 years period there are 2 maintenance items comes into the picture. तो ये तो पेंटिंग हर एक 2 साल चलेगा, ये तो इसका भी एक स्ट्रैटेजी में 2 साल है. Understood or no?
Now understood.
Okay. Okay. Go for your maintenance plan, and you know what all maintenance orders got generated. You can complete all those orders. Okay. See these 2 orders. You double click on this. This is your painting of machine 305. What all operations? सारा operations आएगा. Clean the machine, apply the first coat, apply the thinner, apply the final coat. Okay, because all these operations you have to do it on one frequency only. That is 2 years frequency. Another one is 304, 2 years, इसमें भी सारा operations आ जाएगा. Okay, because we have tick mark, we have done it. Okay, if you go for the previous one, ये 1 year वाला पैकेज, इसमें operations 4 रहेगा, बस 4 की 3 रहेगा. देखो 4 year operations, समझा? 2 years के लिए 5 operations रहेगा. Another one thing, if you go over here first operation, see first 1 month package, 1 month package में कितना operations रहेगा? 1 की 2 ऑपरेशन रहेगा, बिकॉज टिक मार्क की उतना किया ना हम लोग टास्क लिस्ट में. ओके, 3 months में अनदर 2 इट विल बी देयर. You have seen like time based maintenance plans, right? You understood, right? Now you have a clarity on this. Yes. Another one is performance based maintenance plan. Same strategy plan only I'm going to create a strategy plan, IP42. Okay, here like maintenance order is output, but my strategy is not time based, it will be an activity based. That is performance based maintenance. Based on the performance, it will be done. Okay, where it will be? See here, this one. Okay, please concentrate on this. If you don't understand, then whole link like it will go out. Performance based strategy.
Sir, your voice is a little bit low.
Low.
Yeah, here it was very low.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's
Yes, performance based maintenance. Okay, here same IP30, IP42, like I'll go for strategy based plan. Okay, strategy based plan, that is IP42 for the creation. Then let me go over here. What you will do? See here it is not a time, right? So it is no start in cycle. Here something called counter. In measuring points like we have discussed, right? That is counter. So measuring points, if you go for this, there is a counter.
Sir, as the name suggests, performance based. So मतलब इसमें ऐसा होता होगा कि इतना हमारा चल गया या काम कर लिया, इतने टाइम रनिंग हो गई मशीन की, देना
उसका बाद में आप मेंटेनेंस करेंगे. Correct. Based on your example, say like you purchase your car, then after certain travel of certain kilometers, okay, you do maintenance. Okay, after consumption of liters, you do maintenance. After some hours, you do maintenance. Okay, after like some thickness, volume, okay, some this thing like you do that particular maintenance. So there are so many unit of measurements, right? You can do it afterwards after it reaches so and so thing. Okay, thickness or volume meter cube. Okay, it reduces so and so thick meter cube. Then like you do it. Okay, so example saying reduction in the weight kgs. Then how you come to know all these things? You will come to know through the MDocs, measuring documents, right? User will create on daily basis. So once he will create it, then he will come to know what reading, like what that particular reading reaches, then order will be generated. So how we will have that? We will sell performance based. Performance, or you can call it as a maintenance of DG. Here performance based it is correct. So what counter you will choose, like we will see it later, but first of all, what is important thing is, first there should be a measurement point created and document should be created before creation of your maintenance. That is most important. Okay, let me go for this 1600 kVA, go for your measuring points. Okay, they see there are a lot many measuring points. Okay, this you can go for it. Okay, come back, or else like this 1250 kVA. See, this doesn't have any measuring points. So let me create it measuring points first of all. Go for this. So it will be a revision for you guys. So like this one, see, create a counter. What is this equipment? Some diesel generator 1250 kVA. Okay, let me go for again notification this measuring point itself. Okay, from here only I'll continue again so that you'll have a clarity. Okay, measuring point counter. I'm activating in counter. What counter? Example, say some reading like you give. Let it be hours. Okay. Description of, you take it like running hours of DG. Okay, then characteristics, it should be in hours. So is there any unit of measurement? Hours somewhere? No. Running hours. So you know how to create a characteristics, right? Again, you can go for CT04. Here like operation hours, some machine operating hours is there. Okay, code group, if you want like code group, you can have it. How you will go for counter overreading and the annual estimate reading? Means how many hours like it will run per day. That particular calculation I should go. Correct, if I'm not wrong. See here running hours. What I have considered? I have considered per day is like 4 hours it will run. Okay, unlike 30. This one will be this calculation. Okay, here if I make it like 8 hours. 8 hours per day it will run. Then 30 days in a month, months in a year, 12, then 2880. This is my annual estimate. Who will provide this reading? Who will provide this? Technical team. Okay, maintenance team. Counter overreading rate, maximum value which like machine can show. Okay, your bike can show, this machine can show. This much is sufficient. Okay, to create a measuring points for counter based especially. So Counter overreading, how it got calculated, you know that. See here, you know this 2880. Okay, all these things. We will consider something like this. Okay. Later we will discuss about the field. Now one reading got created. Okay, when it got created, go for your change mode of this. Enter. When it got created, okay, that is fine. When major thing is measurement document should be created. That is IK11. This is most important thing. See, date and time. When I'm creating a measurement document, after this only I have to create a maintenance plan. ठीक है ना, आप तो बाइक खरीदा नहीं, आज से आप चालू कर दिया कि हाँ ठीक है मैं 10 किलोमीटर का बाद में सर्विस कराऊंगा, ठीक है ना, ऐसा हो जाएगा. सो देयर विल बी कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट इन द सिस्टम, राइट? You are starting your counter from today itself because you are not started it first of all. Okay, that is the case. That is an important point. So this time I have taken a screenshot 23, 26. So don't worry, my system date is like SAP server date is different. Okay, so it is like previous date. You have to take care of that. So enter now. For this date and time I am creating a measuring document. So मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, पहले दिन जब means when this DG started means diesel generator is there, I have to start this first of all. Means it has to start running it. Means once it is run, it will run for some hours. No, whatever hours it is there, that it will mention. Example, say some 8 hours it has run. 8 hours it has run means ठीक है, तो चालू कर दिया इसको, काउंटर को चालू कर दिया ना हम लोग, ठीक है. 11981 this counter has चालू. Then I'll go for maintenance plan creation now. So I'll come back. No, I will put, okay, I'll create a maintenance plan. So IP42 strategy maintenance plan. What is your strategy? Activity based. Activity का unit of measurement क्या है? That is most important again.
Hours.
Hours. Very good. It is in hours, like right. IP11. Go for this packages. See here hours. Unit of measurement it should match. Okay, with respect to my measuring point. Measuring point का भी वही है. ठीक है. That is on satisfied. Then I'll go for IP42. Where is my IP42? Yes, here. Okay, not here. Yes, here. IP42. What you will do? Maintenance of DG, performance based. Okay, here. Then here your equipment. What equipment you will consider? You will consider this equipment. Why? Because this has my measuring point just now got created. Okay, what task list you will perform? Task list, performance based task list. You have not created any task list with respect to this equipment is concerned.
Okay.
So let me go for a creation of task list. I'll go for IA01 equipment task list. Profile you provide. Okay, usage, planner group, status, system condition. So strategy, what strategy? Activity based strategy. Correct. Go for your operations. You provide some operations one. You provide operation 2, operation 3, operation 4, operation 5. So all these readings you can provide. I don't waste much time on all these things, you know. So I'll go a bit fast. Okay. So all these things is available now. Enter now. But you cannot perform all these operations at the single instance, right? So you go for strategy, then you perform all these things like this. Okay, based on your requirement. Okay, so come back. You want any maintenance components to be utilized? You can utilize those components. So save it. Now it got created. What is that? I'll go for the display of this. Task list number is what? Some 40 and counter is 1. Okay, let me go for your where I am in display. Now again try to display. See, automatically it has come because only one you have created. No, for this particular equipment only one task list is created, so automatically it has come. If you have created 2 or 3, then it would ask like options. Okay, from here you can go and cross check this one. So if you want to do multiple items, you can go and create multiple items. See, once after creating this task list, okay, assigning this task list, see all these cycles has come 500, 1500, this one. How this counter got assigned automatically without mentioning? Why? Because this equipment has this only one counter. If multiple counter is there of the same unit of measurements, hours, then it would have been asked us, okay, which counter needs to be selected. But now automatically it got linked. Okay. what this particular one, I will show you again. I'll go for this, go for your count. See, only one is there for this measuring point. 11981, 11981. Okay. Then go for your scheduling parameters. See everything you know about this and schedule it for 5 years. I will schedule it. Okay, in scheduling period. See here it is not asking start cycle. It is asking start counter reading. From where you have to start it? From which reading you have to start it? Example say I will start it from 0 hours. Okay, this is the most important thing. Then go for maintenance cycle, plan data, then go for KPIL. This one process. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Key date is 25. Okay, 25 is only date. Let it be the 25 date. Okay, let me create a yes 451 plan got scheduled. Let me go for display, not display, schedule. Start scheduling. Okay, from when you schedule it? Startup cycle is 0. Okay, can anyone tell why these dates have come? This is not a time based, but still like here dates have come. Called it means this is what is ABC. ABC is 500 hours, 1500 hours, 5000 hours like that. Means how all these things have come up now.
बिकॉज सर वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग काउंटर के हिसाब से डेट को शेड्यूल्ड कर रही है लाइक हमने सेट किया परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड है तो 5000 1500 और 500 के अकॉर्डिंग उसने कर दिया
कैसे कैसे किया ऑन व्हाट बेसिस दैट वर्ड आई रिकॉल
सर परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस ना सर जैसे हमने सेट किया था ना 500 1500
हाँ हाँ वो तो ठीक है ना वो तो ठीक है वो यही टाइम में आएगा करके उसको कैसा पता चला
सर ये नहीं पता
हाँ सिंपल है ना अभी तो टीच किया आपने मैं क्या बताया पहले टेक्नीशियन क्या बताया मतलब मेंटेनेंस टीम क्या बताया उसने बताया लाइक पर डे इट विल रन फॉर 8 आवर्स देन उसको 500 रीच होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा 500 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 कितना डेज चाहिए उसको ऑलमोस्ट 62 डेज मतलब कितना मंथ्स हो गया 2 मंथ्स हो गया 2 मंथ्स 2 डेज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली है ना 1 मंथ लाइक पकड़ने से 30 डेज पकड़ने से ये हो गया सो दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट दिस वर्ड बेस्ड ऑन एनुअल एस्टिमेट ये वाला बिकॉज आपको क्या है इफ यू जस्ट प्रैक्टिस दिस no one will practice this they'll come and they'll schedule and they'll save and they'll go they doesn't know how this call date has come okay this call date has come based on your annual estimate means if you mention annual estimate is 24 hours then 24 hours matlab how many days like it will take okay see if it will take approximately 20 days to reach 500 hours but ये तो चलेगा सिर्फ 8 घंटा okay per day based on your annual estimate okay this it will divide and it will take like 62.5 days okay see can you calculate this whether it is matching or not you tell me this date you calculate first कोई कैलकुलेट करके बताइए ना मैच हो रही है नहीं हो रहा
first two rows are different has difference of 62 days
करेक्ट कुछ 1 or 2 days गैप आ रहा है क्या
yes sir 1 days gap है sir first two row में like according to calculation it should be 62 days but it is 61 days
हाउ एक तो हमारा सिस्टम का प्रॉब्लम है सिस्टम तो 25 पकड़ा ना डेट स्टार्ट डेट
अच्छा यस
वो एक डेट उधर से ये हो गया ठीक है अनदर वन डेट
ये बफर सर मतलब ऐसे इसको कैसे टैकल कर सकते हैं बफर जो है
क्या बफर है
सर हमारा महीना सर कोई 30 का होता है, कोई 21 का होता है।
हाँ वो तो
यहाँ
ठीक है, वो तो 30 डेज काउंट कर लिए।
like in first row it is 62 days later 22/7/2024, then after in 9 months it is
1 day मीन्स ऑलरेडी आप लाइक 8 नंबर रीच हो चुका है ऑलरेडी।
अच्छा अच्छा
That is one thing. This counter reading you have to consider is an 8. Reading means previous reading already you have entered it. Okay. So this is the calculation. If you increase means before creating this maintenance plan and document should be created, right? वो तो mandatory है, वो तो prerequisite है. Document should be created. Correct. So let me mention over here for you guys. mdoc means document should be created. IK11 में जाके create रहने चाहिए, then only you can schedule it. I have set the example also why you have to do this. Okay, that is the reason that days correction comes over here. What is this call date? Call date तो आपको तो पता ही है, और that is an call horizon. कितना डेज बिफोर आना चाहिए उतना डेज, मतलब 90% बोलने से क्या होगा, सो नंबर ऑफ डेज, एग्जांपल से 90% मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सम 5 डेज, 5 डेज मतलब 1 आवर बोलने से कितना होगा, मतलब 1 डे 8 आवर्स, 8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 फॉर 40 आवर्स, उतना के लिए उतना पहले वो कॉल कर देगा। ठीक है, is the due package. Understood now how these dates are calculated?
सर तो ये शेड्यूलिंग वाला जो भी है ये हम बनाएंगे या यूजर बनाएगा?
हाँ नहीं, हम लोग बनाएंगे।
अच्छा ये
हम लोग बनाएंगे, हम बनाएंगे। वो लोग सिर्फ ये डेट आने से ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा बस। वो इफ दे आस्क समथिंग राइट, देन यू हैव टू मेक द चेंजेस। दे वोंट बी हैविंग एनी एक्सेस पर IP10। यूजर के लिए IP10 एक्सेस नहीं रहेगा। IP30 भी रहेगा, IP30 भी रहेगा। IP30 भी उसको फोर्स नहीं कर सकता है, वो जस्ट वो चेक करने के लिए रहेगा, वो ग्रेड आउट रहेगा उसके लिए। ओके, फॉर IP30 ऑल्सो यू कैन जस्ट चेक वेदर ऑर्डर गॉट जनरेटेड और नॉट।
IP42 को तो रहेगा ना सर उसको?
IP42 हम लोग क्रिएट करके देंगे ना उसको, उसमें जाके IP30 में जाके ऑर्डर जनरेट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ वो चेक करेगा वो बस। ओके, और एल्स लाइक यू कैन सी हाउ मेनी ऑर्डर्स गॉट जनरेटेड, दैट इज अनदर ऑन स्क्रीन। IW39 भी है ना, लिस्ट ऑफ ऑर्डर्स जनरेशन। हम लोग ये चेक किया, ये डेट डाल दो आज कितना ऑर्डर जनरेट हुआ, वो भी चेक कर सकते हो। नहीं तो दैट इज लाइक IP30 you can check. Our system also can check that IP30. That is also can. Everything we have to do it.
Yeah.
They don't create order. They will like already order is created by the system. They have to do the job. तो कॉल डेट का हिसाब से 20th ही करेगा, बट 6 दिन टाइम है वो लोग के लिए काम चालू करने के लिए। 6 days they can plan their activities. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Now like let me save this. Now you understood these dates and all everything. या ना अभी क्या करना है इसको ऑर्डर जनरेट करने के लिए, ऑर्डर जनरेट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ वो पता करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा। देन आई विल गो फॉर IP30, go for 451, this execute this. Either order get generated? No. When order will get generated?
When we schedule
शेड्यूल तो कर दिया ना, शेड्यूल करने के बाद ही मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ कि IP30 में जाके IP30 में जाके शेड्यूल करने के बाद ये तो देखिए 451 गॉट शेड्यूल्ड। ओके, बट ऑर्डर डिडंट गेट जनरेटेड। ऑर्डर कब जनरेट होगा, कब जनरेट होगा ऑर्डर?
जब सर करेंगे।
क्या करेंगे?
तो उसका डेट आएगा सर तब होगा शेड्यूल।
डेट नहीं है ना, ये तो एक्टिविटी हो गया ना।
मतलब सर उसकी रनिंग आवर जब कंप्लीट हो जाएगी देन इट विल।
Then very good, very good. Okay, see now you said about the date when we discussed about the date. Okay, बाकी कौन सा भी एक फंडा पूछिए। ओके, इफ यू आर मीन्स यू परचेज एज यू सेड, वो तो उसको आवर्स कब रीच होगा, जनरल क्वेश्चन।
एक्चुअली वो सर आवर्स के अकॉर्डिंग वो डेट तो सिस्टम में शेड्यूल्ड हो गया है। सो हम ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि अब सर हमने फीड कर दिया उसको, फीड कर दिया तो डेट तो सर उस आवर्स के अकॉर्डिंग शेड्यूल्ड हो गया है। बट समटाइम्स ऐसा भी होता है कि मतलब 8 घंटे चलने हैं बट किसी दिन 10 घंटा चल गया या किसी दिन
वेरी गुड, वेरी
इस
गुड वेरी
कंडीशन
गुड।
में कैसे?
हाँ ठीक है। वो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिस्टम को कैसे पता चलेगा ये 500, ये नंबर बोलने से 500 हो गया, बी बोलने से 1500 हो गया, सी बोलने से आपको पता है 5000 है, तो ऑलरेडी स्ट्रैटेजी यू नो एवरीथिंग। ओके, देन लाइक व्हेन हाउ सिस्टम विल कम टू नो 500 हैज बीन रीच्ड, नथिंग बट एन मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट रीच। ओके, दिस नंबर काउंटर, ये दो मेजरिंग पॉइंट का अगेंस्ट एक काउंटर वैल्यू जो रहेगा वो 500 रीच होगा तो ऑर्डर जनरेट हो जाना चाहिए, करेक्ट। दैट इज फर्स्ट चीज, फर्स्ट थिंग। अभी देखो आदमी भूल गया एंटर करने के लिए, क्या करेंगे? दैट इज वन थिंग, यू फॉरगॉट टू एंटर, एल्स लाइक डीजे डिडंट रन, वो तो रन ही नहीं हुआ। ये दो केसेस में क्या होगा? अब फर्स्ट केस इज when like user enters this reading, however when once it reaches 500 hours order will generate। ओके, ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा। अभी मैं समझो कि यूजर, ये तो एमडॉक कौन एंटर करेगा? यूजर एंटर करेगा ऑन डेली बेसिस, वट एवर इज क्राइटेरिया, डेली बेसिस और शिफ्ट वाइज बेसिस और वीकली बेसिस। अभी फॉरगॉट टू एंटर और डीजी तो रन ही नहीं हुआ, फिर क्या होगा?
सर
ऑर्डर
तो जैसे ये सर one question, जैसे सर कि हमारा परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड पे लाइक हमने सेट कर दिया 500 आवर पे, ये हमारा शेड्यूल है, तो
करेक्ट।
इसकी जो रीडिंग लेगा वो डेली इनपुट बेसिस पे रीडिंग लेगा,
हाँ
कोई भी
करेक्ट।
सर इंटर,
वही तो
कोई
दो
भी जो
रीज़न
इंटर।
बता दिया ना मैंने, दो रीज़न बताए ना, वो तो एंटर ही नहीं किया, भूल गया, नहीं तो ऑर्डर जनरेट ही नहीं हुआ, दो ही केस है अभी तो।
तो सर
वो तो
अगर
एंटर
इंटर,
होने से आपको प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, वो तो जब 500 ये रीच होगा वो तो ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा, वो तो अलग बात है,
अगर
आपको जैसा बताया ना।
अगर
हाँ
अगर अगर इंटर नहीं करता है सर, फिर वो ऑर्डर जनरेट नहीं करेगा,
हाँ, नहीं करे। उससे
उसको
पहले
कैसे
आंसर
पता
आप क्या,
लगेगा?
उससे पहले आप क्या बोल रहे थे आंसर? सर आप बता रहे थे ये 20th मई जब रीच होगा और तो ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा ही होगा। ओके, आपका केस अभी देखिए, वंस लाइक टुडे इट हैज रन सम 8 hours, टुमारो सम 6 hours, डे आफ्टर टुमारो सम 10 hours, नहीं तो दूसरा दिन 24 hours रन हुआ, ठीक है ना, दूसरा मतलब जल्दी हुआ, इससे पहले ही रीच हो गया 18th को, अभी 18th मई को 500 रीच हो गया तो ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा, ठीक है, काउंटर रीच हो गया तो ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा ही होगा। नहीं तो आप 20
ओके, इसमें प्रायोरिटी सर डेट को नहीं, इसमें प्रायोरिटी काउंटर को
का
मिलेगी।
फर्स्ट फर्स्ट priority is for counter। ओके, whichever is earlier, see now like counter has reached earlier और तो ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा ही होगा, वो तो
यस।
वो तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन। नाउ अभी यू फॉरगॉट टू एंटर और डीजे डिडंट रन, वो तो रन होने नहीं होने से ये तो ये टाइम हो जाएगा, पहले ये आ जाएगा।
यस।
नहीं तो आप देखिए 20th को रीडिंग क्या था, 450 था समझिए,
या
नहीं तो 400 लाइक 400 था, बस 400 था। ओके, बट ऑर्डर कब जनरेट होगा? बेस्ड ऑन द कॉल डेट, वट एवर रीडिंग इज देयर वो टाइम में रीड होगा, नहीं तो ये 26 पकड़ लीजिए, नहीं तो 26 मतलब पकड़ने से 500 में ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा, नहीं तो उससे पहले जो भी कॉल ओरिजिन का वैल्यू वो वैल्यू जनरेट होगा, बट आपका रीडिंग क्या है? 350 और 300, करेक्ट, विच एवर इज फर्स्ट, विच एवर इज फर्स्ट मतलब कौन सा फर्स्ट आया, ये आ गया टाइम, तो ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा। ये कौन कैसे जनरेट हुआ? दिस रीडिंग, दिस ऑल कॉल डेट्स आर बेस्ड ऑन योर एनुअल एस्टिमेट।
यस।
ये तो पहले हम लोग एंटर किया होगा ना इसको मेजरिंग पॉइंट में, जो 8 hours रन होगा था वैसा। ओके, एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइक 2 दिन में ही 500 रीच हो गया समझिए, 2 दिन में 500 रीच होने से तो ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। वो भूल गया, नहीं तो डीजी रन ही नहीं हुआ, फिर ये डेट आने के बाद ऑर्डर जनरेट।
सर इसमें एक और कंडीशन भी हो सकता है, लाइक हमारे मशीन चले हो 8 घंटे, बट अगर गलती से 18 घंटे इंटर हो गए इनपुट,
हाँ, वो तो मेजरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट डिलीट करना मेरे को आपको बताया ना मैंने, हाउ यू कैन डिलीट
हाँ
दैट
मतलब
मेजरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट।
फिर वहाँ पे जाके उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना
हाँ, वो तो रिवर्सल इंडिकेटर, वो तो मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट भी बोलते हैं, वो वैसा उसको। ठीक है, नाउ यू परचेज योर कार और बाइक, ठीक है, उसने क्या बताएगा पहले? लाइक आप सर्विस में आइए 1000 किलोमीटर्स, आप बताएंगे नहीं मैं चलाऊंगा नहीं, 5 साल का बाद में आऊँगा, चलेगा क्या? नहीं आएगा ना। दे विल राइट ए टाइम ऑल्सो, सो ही विल राइट लाइक सम 3 months, वो क्या बोलेगा कि विच एवर इज अर्लियर, फर्स्ट लाइक इन 2 दिन में ही आप 1000 किलोमीटर चलाएगा तो आप सर्विस पे जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो 3 months हो गया तो 3 months से पहले आप सर्विस में जाना, एनी वन इज ट्रू, और विच एवर इज अर्लियर, विच एवर इज फर्स्ट, द सेम कंडीशन। ओके, हियर आप रीडिंग जनरेट कर रहे हो, ओके मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, और ठीक है ये सब पहले 500 रीच करने से ऑर्डर जनरेट हो जाएगा, नहीं तो ये पहले आने से ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा, दोनों केस में। अंडरस्टूड?
बस
यस मैंने,
प्रायोरिटी जो है रनिंग आवर को ज्यादा मिलेगा।
हाँ रनिंग आवर्स, बट मेनी पीपल व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस, इसको ध्यान नहीं देता है इसको प्रिपरेशन करते समय। मेनी पीपल डजंट नो दैट कॉल डेट। हाँ परफॉर्मेंस बोलने से दिमाग उधर चला जाएगा, हाँ ये तो नहीं मतलब भूल गया, कोई एंट्री नहीं किया, मतलब सीधा बोल देगा नहीं नहीं ऑर्डर जनरेट नहीं होगा। ओके यस yes now like let me go for this, now what I can do, now I cannot wait till May right, ये तो ये टाइम तक मैं वेट नहीं कर सकता हूँ, का ऑर्डर जनरेट करना पड़ेगा मुझे। व्हाट आई कैन डू, हेलो
यस सर।
यस टेल मी नाउ हाउ आई कैन जनरेट एन ऑर्डर, मतलब इतना टाइम तक वेट नहीं कर सकता ना, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ।
सर फिर इसको भी फिक्स कर सकते हैं क्या?
फिक्स क्यों करेंगे, हमारा पास तो मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट ऑप्शन है ना,
अच्छा
मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट हम लोग बढ़ा सकते हैं ना। मैं सोच रहा था आपका ऑप्शन इधर आएगा दिमाग में, ये वाला बढ़ाओ कर डेज आगे अगर, इसको भी जरूरत नहीं है, ये तो टाइम टाइम बेस में बढ़ाना है, मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट हमारा हाथ में है ना।
मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट से सर वी कैन डू, बट क्या वहां से डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं लाइक जैसे प्रीवियसली हम कर रहे थे?
किसमें, हाँ प्रीवियस में जो जो कर रहे थे ना हम लोग वो सारा कर सकते हैं ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम।
मतलब इसमें ये एडिशनल ऑप्शन है कि हम मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट से भी जाके
ठीक है,
टाइम
यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट दिस रिलीज, यू कैन डू इट, ओके यू वांट टू स्किप इट, यू कैन स्किप इट, वो तो फिक्स नहीं कर पाएंगे हम लोग, ये वाला ऑप्शन नहीं रहेगा देखो हमेशा फिक्स करने के लिए। प्रीवियस वी कैन पुल इट, वी कैन नॉट पुल इट,
मैनुअल
बिकॉज हम
कॉलम
लोग
भी कर
बताया, हाँ हम लोग बताया उसको ये कर सकते हैं करके, मतलब वो प्रीवियसली वी कैन नॉट फिक्स इट टू नेक्स्ट डेटा, बिकॉज एनुअल एस्टिमेट तो है ना, उसके ऊपर तो डेट्स प्रिपेयर हुआ, सो वी कैन नॉट, दिस ऑप्शन वॉन्ट बी फिक्स कॉल, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर। ओके ये भी भूल जाएंगे हम लोग, बोल देंगे कि नहीं इसको फिक्स कर सकते हैं, नहीं होगा, तो मैनुअल कॉल एनी वे यू नो, ओके यू हैव दिस मैनुअल कॉल, वट एवर डेट लाइक यू वांट टू गो, you can go for this whichever package like you want to call it as, okay that is one option is there, and you can go for IP30, and of course here you can force it up number of days आगे करके, इससे अच्छा हम लोग इसमें ट्राई कर सकते हैं ना IK11 में, there is an option, see always your measuring time should be after creation of your maintenance plan, ठीक है ना, अभी वो इफेक्ट आएगा, नहीं तो इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा। ये देखिए पहले टाइम क्या था, फर्स्ट वाला टाइम क्या था हमारा, मेजरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट टाइम 23-26, ये 23-47 में कर रहे हैं, तो जो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसी को बीच में ही मेंटेनेंस प्लान क्रिएट हुआ था ना, सो नो इश्यूज फॉर दिस, ओके देन लाइक हियर आई विल पुट अगेन सम 300 आवर्स डायरेक्ट, ओके 300 आवर्स में ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा क्या, नहीं होगा, सो लेट मी गो फॉर IP30 and check, go for 451 execute this, whether order got generated, no, okay we'll wait for it, when order will get generated, so you make the calculation, how you will make the calculation, first of all you will learn about the call origin, ये करना है, इससे पहले मुझे जाके ऑर्डर देखना पड़ेगा, वेयर इज माय ऑर्डर, maintenance plan IP03, go for this maintenance plan, go for this, see 90% of your first one, how much, 90% multiplied by ये पैकेज बोलने से क्या होगा 500 आवर्स, मीन्स ऑर्डर विल जनरेट एट 450 आवर्स, करेक्ट, 450 आवर्स में ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा, देन ये 450 कब जनरेट होगा, कब आएगा, डिवाइडेड बाय 8 मीन्स 56 डेज, 56 डेज बोलने से आज क्या था 25 था ना, 25/03/2024, ओके सॉरी yes this is the date, and next like when it will reach 56, when it will reach, okay this minus this, correct 56 approximately, समझ में आया, से ये ऑर्डर जनरेट होना चाहिए इसमें, Okay or no?
Okay.
Okay, समझ में 56 means if I once order reaches like 450, then means measurement document reaches 450, order should generate. Or when it reaches like 25, okay, May 20th आने से order generate होना चाहिए, correct? Then we will check this particular date. I guess like we have checked already this date. You can go and check in this somewhere if you have taken a screenshot. Then from here also will come to schedule means देखिए 25, okay, बराबर है 25 में ऑर्डर जनरेट होगा. ये वाला कैलकुलेशन कैसा है 25, दिस वन हाउ इट केम, दिस वन हाउ दिस वन हैज कम 90% मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ए पैकेज बोलने से 500. So how this per day 8 hours, then 56 approximately this 20th date has come. Yes, and this date I have considered. Why this date? Because एक दिन पीछे है ना सिस्टम का डेट 25 date. This one has come. Now let me go for directly. I'll increase to 400 now. बराबर. I'll go for IK11. Only thing you should take care about these dates. Okay, then I'll go for 400 hours. So save it. Now whether order will be generated or no?
450 पे है ना सर?
450 में generate हो जाना चाहिए. So on 400 if I go and check, order should not be generated. Okay, order should not be generated. Okay, correct.
We have entered 400 ना.
Yes. See ये डेट भी आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. See कब ये कर रहे हैं 25 में कर रहे हैं. Okay, and another one thing is maintenance plan. Maintenance plan is also 25 only, I think so. Maintenance plan also 25/3. Okay, ये भी वैसे ही है डेट. This is also most important. And you are running your date. This also it is most important. This date. Okay, while running अभी देखिए इधर पता चल जाएगा आपको कौन सा डेट में है. Okay. उसका बाद में यार मतलब उधर काउंटर चेंज कर रहे हो बट वो प्रीवियस डेट में चेंज कर रहे हो, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर डेट में चेंज कर रहे हो, इधर चेक कर रहे हो, वो नहीं होगा. ओके, सो दैट इज वन मोस्ट थिंग. नाउ डायरेक्टली आई विल गो फॉर हियर, डायरेक्टली आई विल गो फॉर 450 आवर्स. ओके, नाउ वी विल चेक वेदर ऑर्डर विल जनरेट और नॉट.
Now it is.
Go for this, go for your 450. Now we will check like order will generate or not. Okay, see order generated. How it got generated based on your call origin and based on your measuring documents.
It reached.
Now,
it reached
yeah,
its parameter.
correct. Okay, but date has not reached, but whichever is earlier it has reached. That's it. Date is still like 20th 5th. मतलब वही बताया ना. अभी ये तो कोई भूल गया एंटर करने के लिए टेक्नीशियन, कोई मतलब रन ही नहीं हुआ मिशन. ओके, फिर भी आप मेंटेनेंस करना ही है उसको. जैसा आपके घर में तो गाड़ी है ना वैसा ही सेम थिंग. दिस इज जस्ट शेड्यूलिंग बेस्ड ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड. ओके, एंड हियर आल्सो वी कैन मेंटेन. मतलब काउंटर अब 2 मेंटेनेंस आइटम है, काउंटर तो मतलब सेम रहे.
इसमें we can say that the order can generated on the date or before the date, but
before that
the date is not
हाँ, correct. Whichever is earlier.
yeah.
पहले डॉक्यूमेंट रीच होने से मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी ऑडियो लाइक ऑर्डर विल जनरेट. ओके, और एल्स योर डेट. ओके, you can go for IK17 and you can check one measurement point. Whatever this measurement point is there, this measurement point. Okay, see here, this date and time is most important. It is increasing. इसका बाद में हम लोग जो पहले हम लोग जनरेट किया ऑर्डर मेंटेनेंस पॉइंट जनरेट किए थे मेजरिंग पॉइंट, उसका बाद में इसका बीच में हम लोग मेंटेनेंस प्लान क्रिएट किया. क्रिएट करने के बाद उसका कंडीशन क्या था, मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. उसका बराबर है मेजरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट ऑलरेडी है. सो हम लोग मेजरमेंट दिस व्हाटएवर मेंटेनेंस प्लान वी हैव क्रिएटेड, देन इट विल आस्क अस द काउंटर वैल्यू. वो तो काउंटर वैल्यू ले लेता है उसका ऑटोमेटिकली. While scheduling also it will ask the counter value. See here, if you go for the counter, see पहले ये 8 रीडिंग आया था ना हमारा, so 8 रीडिंग आ जाएगा. That is one condition and later you will increase it. Okay, क्योंकि इससे पहले ही था मेंटेनेंस प्लान का बाद में ही जो भी काउंटर रीडिंग इंक्रीज हुआ वही इफेक्ट में आया. बराबर. Yes, I will go for example say IP41. This is single cycle plan. इसमें तो एक ही प्लान है। इसमें देखिए एवरी 30 डेज आपका जैसा मैं गिवन मेनी एग्जांपल्स, यू वांट टू डू द ग्रीसिंग यू वांट टू डू एवरी 30 डेज ओनली, एक ही साइकिल है बस, हर एक महीना लाइक ग्रीसिंग इट विल बी डन एवरी 15 डेज। एग्जांपल से एवरी 15 डेज यू वांट टू डू द ग्रीसिंग एवरी डे, लाइक एक ही साइकिल, इससे अलावा कुछ साइकिल नहीं है। ओके बट लाइक स्ट्रैटेजी में क्या होगा, देयर इज लाइक स्ट्रैटेजी इन द सेंस IP11 सीखो ये स्ट्रैटेजी, सारा स्ट्रैटेजीज 500, 1500, 5000, 7500, 15000 लाइक दैट, टाइम बेस्ड 1 मंथ, 3 मंथ, 6 मंथ्स इसमें। ओके यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट डे है, इसमें एक्टिविटी में आवर्स में लेने से क्या होगा, इट विल बिकम परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड सिंगल साइकिल। एंड इज देयर एनी स्ट्रैटेजी हम लोग यूज ही नहीं किया, हम जो क्रिएट किए थे ना स्ट्रैटेजी, मंथली पैकेज, मंथली KPI एंड एक्टिविटी KPI, वो तो यूज ही नहीं किया, हम लोग पूछा ही नहीं है इसने। IP42 में जाने से इट विल आस्क दिस वन स्ट्रैटेजी, ओके बट IP41 इज ए सिंगल साइकिल, एक ही साइकिल बताओ बस, एक ही साइकिल, सो एंटर। ओके मेंटेनेंस ऑफ DG एग्जांपल से टाइम बेस्ड सिंगल साइकिल। ओके व्हाट इज दिस, एवरी 30 डेज इट हैज टू बी जनरेटेड ऑर्डर, सिंपल एक ही साइकिल है मेरा, कुछ भी साइकिल ये दे दो, काउंटर जरूरत नहीं है, ये तो टाइम बेस्ड में डील कर रहा हूँ 30 डेज। ओके सम इक्विपमेंट यू कंसिडर, okay enter now this order, some task list you consider, okay whatever the task list is let it be, okay see here जो भी task list है आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो उसको, change the bearing of the motor something like this, okay but every 30 days you are going to change the bearing of the motor, since strategy is not there ये सारा values आप fill करना पड़ेगा manually, strategy रहने से उस strategy में दे देते हैं ना हम लोग। Here 5 years or some 2 years I'll do it. Okay start of cycle example say today it is 26th, time period, maintenance plan scheduled 1000, okay so save। now let me go for the schedule of this one, enter start in cycle, इसमें साइकिल नहीं है ना, सिर्फ एक ही साइकिल है, इसलिए देयर इज नो स्टार्ट इन साइकिल, ये तो मंथली है, कब से चालू करना है वो डेट दे दो बस, वो डेट देने से काफ़ी है आपके लिए। So I'll give a single cycle here, lengthy Excel sheet, that's why whatever date you want to do give, see इसमें तो due date है ही नहीं, package है ही नहीं, no there is no strategy, no, yes. So this one only one cycle is the case। example say I don't save it, no, go for your IP02 452, instead of this 30 days I'll give 90 days, okay save it, go for your packet, okay here sorry schedule it, see every 90 days it will come, every 90 days 6 9 12 3, earlier it was every 1 month, scheduled it for 2 years, एक ही पैकेज चलेगा बस, whatever package your salary package example say every monthly, okay like that every like air filter change every 2 years you want to do, every 2 years you can mention, that way you can do it, got it this way, yes so save it, go for this, okay go for the schedule part, go for the start of this, say now 90 days for it has been scheduled for 4 years, so save this, then 90 days order generate हुआ कि नहीं हुआ कैसे पता चलेगा हम लोग को, then go for IP30, go for 452, then whether order get generated, no anyway it will come after 90 days, okay but 90 days के लिए हम लोग को क्या था 90% था, 90% मतलब वो कब आएगा 81 days, very good, see go for the schedulement 81 days, whether it is 81 days means 9 days before it has been called or no, 9 days before, correct, year 320 26 9 days before it has been called, because 81st day it will call, see for everything 9 days before, now you understood least package itself is a one package only, right, here means yes. Here it is 90 days, so it is 90 days, if it is 1 month then 1 month, 3 days before it will call for 1 month, okay then 81 days I am telling like system 81 days has reached, let me go for this deadline monitoring, here I will tell 75 days first, 450, whether order got generated, no, So come back. Let me go for 81 days, you said, right? 81 days. So little bit here and there. 81 days is also there. So 1 day like I'll put it because some date correction is there as per the system. So I'll put 82 days. Still 82 days also now is not come. Mm, 52 only. Yeah, 83 days. Yes, order got generated. Okay, some 31 days, whatever the correction, that correction I have to take. System date, 1 date, another 1 date, the day correction. Okay, see now time based only 1 cycle. I am forcing this. Okay, that days has reached as per the call origin. Go for this, see, order got generated. Understood the single cycle plan? It is very easy plan. If it is straightforward plan.
Yes.
Okay, no changes in only 1 cycle it will run. Okay, next time like we'll see single cycle plan, performance based we'll see, and next after that multiple counter plan we'll see. Okay, same thing, we have like single cycle plan, and in that like one plan and another multiple counter. Okay, this is also most important. Okay, you understood now everything?
None. Yes, sir.
Okay.